So if you're going to be wanting to get started with playing Roblox here on your PC, ensure you watch through this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Head over to your, I'm currently in my Roblox studio, right? And you can see I'm currently moving this. So I'm going to show you what you need to do if you want to get started with playing Roblox, right? So at first, take note of this, what I'm going to do now. If you're holding your mouse, right, you can notice that there's a wheel on your mouse. The wheel is to increase, right? You can increase the size, so you can see you can increase the size of your Roblox. You can increase or decrease it. So that is for the zoom in and the zoom out, right? The zoom in and the zoom out. So this is it. Now for you to be able to jump up, you need to click on the space button. This is for the space button right here, right? For you to be able to move front is the W button, right? For you to be able to move back is the S button. For you to be able to move left is the A button. For you to be able to move right is the D button. So this is basically the basic Roblox controls. I think anyone familiar with this need to get started with. So if you found this video helpful, ensure you share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next one.